I'm gonna go ahead and put up this home zone security light. It's a hardwired light and 3000 lumen, 3 bulbs or 3 LED, motion activated. I'm gonna go ahead and, this is the light that's getting replaced, this old thing. Put that LED up out here. So this thing's got to go. First thing I'm gonna do is make sure the power's off too. Okay, go ahead and take this off. It's got some old rusted flat heads. Got this baby off. These things are bare to get out because they were all rusted in there. I'll go ahead and take this thing off. Maybe we'll see how that new one looks. Anyway, these are coming off. Klein Tools, this thing has come through for me quite a bit. So anyway, no power there. We're looking good. This thing would be red if there was power to it. So power's off. Okay, looking good there. Go ahead and unbox this thing. Got the directions there. Some mounting brackets, ties. Man, this is gonna be so nice. Look at this. So this is your mounting bracket, and then look at that. Then you just pop that baby on there and plug it in. So all you gotta deal with is hanging this thing, wiring this thing. Super easy. And it's gonna be white to white, ground to ground, super easy. Get that thing going. Make sure this is up just like the arrow shows. That way it all lines up straight. So that's one of the key things there. See that arrow? Make sure that's right at pointing straight up. We'll go put this baby on. That is nice. So here's the new setup there. And you can adjust these things too. So we'll get into that in a minute. Go get this baby wired up real quick. Hey, real quick too, the thing that I'm gonna do here is take the old one off and put this on, because this screw right here, this long one, is gonna go through here and into there. So I need to put this baby on, and then we'll wire it. Okay, here's the setup. I pulled the ground that was on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually wire it up first, and then I can push the wires back in, and then I can slide this baby on there for mounting. I'd like those wires, you know, be easier to push them back in through that bigger hole. So get that wired up. There it is, easy. Ground to ground, white to white, black to black. Now I'll go ahead and stuff those wires back in there, and then put my cross piece on right here for mounting. There, I got the wires pushed back into the box. Now the key here is just to make sure this thing is going to be able to mount all the way straight up. Go ahead and get this baby in. All I'm gonna do is tighten that down, pull that screw out, and then start mounting it. Got that on, nice and tight. Push those back in there, and then we'll put that big screw in the middle and mount it like that. All right, we got that baby mounted. Now we're gonna get the light and plug it in. Okay, so just to screw this thing in, I just slapped it up there and snapped it in, and then screwed this bolt in here. But I slid this out of the way and pushed this up. So now you can come down with that. The adjustment for this one is here. Okay, and then these can come out like this, like that. And then this can come out like this too. But I'm gonna tighten it up just a little bit more. And then I'm also gonna take some caulk and go around the edge because it's outside. So I'm gonna just tighten that up just a little bit more, because you can see it's just a little bit looser than I like. Like I said, I hit it again with the screwdriver right there. So now that thing's on there tight. So let's go ahead and give it a test. Let's test it out. And then what I'll do is you can adjust the settings. All of the settings are right down here, and I'll show you all that in a little bit. But there we go. And just make sure our power's working. Oh yeah, this thing is working like a champ. So this thing lights up the whole side of the house. This is a winner. So, man, if you're looking for a good spotlight, I'd say it'll go at least, I mean, a good 50 feet of light, you know, probably 40, 50 feet, but excellent spread on this. I'm gonna get light all the way down here, all the way over there. I'll even angle them more to the optimal position. So very happy with this one. These babies are bright. There we we go, shut off, back on. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. Okay, here's a quick rundown of the settings. And so you can set it, this thing's nice and sensitive. You can set the sensitivity. You can set it for how long it stays on. So I got it, you can put 7 minutes, 3 minutes, and then this is your lux, right? How bright you want that thing. I got it on sunshine right now. So there's moon mode. Okay, I don't know what that means, but there's the sensitivity right there. So you can mess with that, mess with this, put it on bright, how long it stays on, 1 minute, 3 minutes. I'm gonna keep it on 3. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. All right, there's that light. So I just want to go over this one more time real quick here. So while it's daylight, you can see the setting is on the daylight settings. So it's daylight out. And here's if you want it like right in the middle. Right in the middle there. And then that's if you just want it to come on at night. Of course, here's your settings for timing. I'm gonna go 3 minutes on that. And then here's the sensitivity. Okay, now again, if you want it to come on during the day, even just to test it out maybe. There we go. All right. Pretty easy. Yeah, get this one. I highly recommend it. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and run some caulk around there.